Hello my friends, Wake Angel 2001 here. We're doing another unboxing. And this is another package that came through UPS, but I don't blame the person that sent it. I will, however, blame Amazon. I've never really kept my disdain for Amazon secret. In fact, I'm officially going to throw around the Walmart of the internet, as in, no, people probably don't really like it. It's just that they're kind of the biggest distributor and they have everything, so people go to it for convenience. I personally almost never buy anything from Amazon. The biggest deal breaker for me is the fact that they don't accept PayPal. You have to pay with a credit card, which like the most popular method of payment on the internet can't be used on the most popular shopping website on the internet. How does that work? I don't get it. That alone is the reason why I avoid it as much as possible. And the other thing, apparently, is that when you order your things, you can't really choose your shipping option. And the primary shipping option for this, well, the only shipping option for this item the guy ordered was UPS. I hate UPS because I live in an apartment. I don't have a mailbox that the UPS guy can drop a package into. Well, there are mailboxes, but you need a special key that only official mailmen have. And I work for a living. I don't have, I have to go out and go to work, and I don't have a maid or house sitter who can stay home all day and receive my packages for me. So when somebody comes up to the door with a package that has to be handed to my hand because they can't put it in a box, they leave and it becomes a massive inconvenience. And at first I thought I would have to go pick this up at a UPS center, but when I went to go confirm it, it turns out that despite the fact that they left a notice telling me where I would go to pick it up, they decided the next day that they would ship it anyway. And they stuck it in a truck over the weekend because it wasn't available for me to pick up anymore. And I had to wait until Monday for it to be shipped, where it would have been shipped at any time before 7. Now, fortunately, it came around noon. So we were all home, and the package was, that wasn't hugely inconvenient. But yeah, any time before 7, that's the cable guy problem again. Oh god, do I have to clear out my schedule for the entire day for this? Anyway, I bear no ill will towards the person that sent it to me, because like I said, they didn't have any choice. I will, however, say that I don't like Amazon, and I'm going to quietly discourage people from buying there. Anecdotally, there have even been times when I think it was when I got that Greenlighter Lancer. Not only was it an Amazon exclusive, it was an Amazon Prime exclusive. So you weren't allowed to buy it unless you were a member of their Prime service. I threw up 2 one-finger salutes to the Amazon website for that, and then bought it from a reseller from eBay. Sure, it cost me an extra $5, but Amazon I didn't have to pay a monthly membership fee to Amazon, so I still consider that a win. Okay, so we're going to open this package. One of the ones where you can undo a side box. It says this box was made to fit your order. Yeah, so that's why this box looks a little ramshackle. Apparently, instead of a stock box, it's a box that Amazon made from apparently scrap cardboard. Ah, yes, here we go. A very simple Sonic the Hedgehog. And given that the wave is Sonic, Tails, Shadow, and Dr. Eggman, this is likely a Wave 1 figure. Yes, this guy wants me to take this Sonic the Hedgehog figure and turn it into his OC. So, that is well established. Alright, so, there you go. We confirmed through email, so the guy knows that I got his package. So, that's all well and good. Yep. Alright, so that's done. I guess, as the traditional enticement to get people to actually watch these videos, I'm gonna preview the stuff I'm working on now. Let's see. Alright, I have a Rouge figure that's in progress here. All the major sculpting has been done. And I've already started to put some of the base coat layers on her head. The rest of her parts are right here. Okay. Little Rouge bust. legs with Rouge's feet attached. So, yep, that's a Rouge figure that, as of right now, just needs to be painted. Progress is going on that bunny figure that I'm working on. The head is still mostly unpainted. I only did her mascara, or eyeliner, whatever that is. Oh, pretty proud of this. Bunny's feet. Oop. They're built around the figure's original feet, so the ankle articulation still works. Let's see. Oh, here's her arm. Interesting thing about Bunny, if you look at the old cartoon, her original roboticized hand only had 3 fingers. Not a lot of people notice that. I see in the fan art, even when people do their best to replicate the original Saturday morning cartoon style, she's almost always depicted with at least 4 fingers on that hand. But looking at screencasts from the animation, yeah, she only had 3. That Zoe figure's coming along. I figured out how to make her dress longer. And painting her is a bit of an issue. Got her head right here. The white layer's down. Just got to put the yellow on top of it. And my personal OC is getting almost done. Like, he's in the painting process. Although I do need to find a good pair of hands for him. I'm not sure if I'm going to pick them off of something or if I'm going to 3D print them. Although I did print a ring, so he'll have his halo. That is part of the character design, after all. So yeah, that's basically what I got going on right now. You guys will, at least one of those things should be done, hopefully by tomorrow, maybe the next day. My Patreon supporters will get to see high-resolution pictures of all those things, of course. And I thank you all for watching this video. Hopefully we'll be doing stuff. Wake Angel 2001 signing off.